Parrot presents DIA by NoDesign, an incredible 10-inch digital photo frame. Your best photos deserve the magic of an amazing screen. With the Mover app, slide your favourite photos from your iPod or iPad at a touch of your thumb. DIA can store up to 1,500 photos, but you can extend the memory with flash and hard drive. DIA can read geotag photos from your smartphone or your digital camera with GPS featured. Thanks to the Holidays app, relive the memories you saw during your last vacation. Look, no need to touch the frame anymore. To transfer photos from PC or Mac, just drag and drop. DIA can have a specific email address and receive photos taken from anywhere in the world. With Picasa or Flickr, receive photos of your friends wirelessly. Pick up hundreds of free applications delivered by Frame Channel. Parrot DIA, capture the essence of your photos.